In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks for payroll. By the end, you'll be ready to add your company details, set up employees, run payroll with confidence, handle taxes, and pull the reports you need. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account and heading to payroll from the left menu. If payroll isn't set up yet, click Get Started. You'll be prompted for your business details, including your EIN, legal address, and tax information. Enter these exactly as they appear on your official registrations to avoid mismatches with federal or state agencies. Take a moment to double check everything here. Accurate setup is the foundation for correct paychecks and tax filings. During the guided setup, you can add your employees. You'll need each person's full legal name, home address, whether they're paid a salary or hourly rate, and their tax information from a current W-4. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, gather their bank routing and account numbers and make sure you have their authorization. Direct deposit is optional but highly recommended for speed and convenience. If you need to add more team members later, open payroll and choose employees. Click Add an employee, then fill in the pay rate. Select the pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or another cadence. Enter tax withholding details and add bank information for direct deposit if you're using it. Click Save. Choosing the correct pay schedule is important because it drives payroll deadlines and helps keep your process consistent. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Pick the appropriate pay schedule, enter hours for hourly employees, and confirm salary amounts for salaried staff. Carefully review wages, taxes, and any deductions or benefits before you submit. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state tax, Social Security, and Medicare, and other deductions based on the information you entered earlier, so accuracy at setup pays off here. To handle payroll taxes, open taxes, and choose payroll tax. Review the amounts due and their due dates. If automatic payments are enabled for your account, click Pay to confirm. Depending on your subscription and enrollments, QuickBooks can also file and pay taxes for you. Just ensure funds are available on the withdrawal date. Finally, for visibility and record keeping, go to Reports. Search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Adjust the date range as needed, filter if applicable, and download or print for your files. That's it. You've set up QuickBooks for payroll, added employees, run payroll, managed